Magandang araw po. Yung mga bata, pasok po sila sa school. Mga birds na po. Morning! Yala kids. Who's the one I like? Fix your hair. Ganyan, maganda yan. Bagay sa'yo. Bagay sa'yo, ganyan. Simple. Put na your back. Better like this. Simple. Okay, kunin mo na yung bag mo. From now on, I will talk to you Tagalog. Para maka-intindi ka eh. Paalam.
What?
You need to know.
Paalam?
Matalan. Goodbye, mommy. I will say paalam. Yani, goodbye.
I understand. I understand. Sorry, but I don't know how to talk.
Mag-ingat kayo, ha? Mag-aral mabuti. Okay?
Okay. Okay lang.
Okay, inang.
Oh. Parang... What?
Okay, inang. Inang.
I don't know.
Inang. You will from now on challenge. Ay. Wait. Bonjour. Alhamdulillah. Flowers for you. Good afternoon. Nandito kami ni Mr. sa market. Nag-grocery kami. Bawal pala ang mag-video na. Kaya hindi ako nag-video sa loob. Tapos na kaming nag-grocery ng ibang gamit. Abastos. Abastos ng bago kami aalis. May laman ang ref. Ito yung redemption card. Ay, tawag nito. Loyalty reward cards. Meron kaming tawag nito. Ipapakita lang namin ito. Tapos gift. Yan. $10. Maganda itong spinnis na ito. Kasi may points sila. Kaya $10 siya, guys. Cost, bibili na lang kami ng ballpen. Sa library ito. Pagkita namin. Tapos,
You know which ink?
yeah. I know. Kasi kailangan ni Kian ng ink. Yung eraser ballpen siya. Eraser pen. Tapos wala na siyang ink. So yun na lang ang bibilhin namin. Diba? Naka-minus. Mainit na dito sa Lebanon. Magsa-summer na po. Pero spring pa lang dito. Pero mainit na. Umuulan ng gas ang kagabi ata yun. Kaya lahat ng car madumi. Patrol. Guys, sa bahay na po kami. Yan, namili po kami ng gamit. Hi guys! Luto-luto tayo po. Yan, for lunch. Dawood Basha, ang hiling ng mga anakis. Walang ka mag-sombrero ay mag-ponytail tayo kasi sombrero na lang kasi ayaw ko kasing mag-ponytail lagi kasi yung buhok ko ba laging nakatali, nahuhulog sila, naglalagas, kaya nilulugay ko. So ngayon, magluto po tayo. Ganito yung sombrero ba. Hindi ko muna talian kasi yung buhok ko ba. Gusto ko pahabain. Dawood Basha guys. Hiling ni bunso. Pag maghiling ang bunso ko, bibigay. Hindi naman yan humihiling ng iba. Food lang. Pagkain. Tatanungin nila, mami, what you will cook today? I don't know. Pag sinabi ko, okay, cook Dawood Basha. Cook fasolya, cook ganito, ganito. Last week pa nila ito hinihingi. Mami, Dawood Basha. Mami, Dawood Basha. Mamaya ibaba ni Mister yung mga bag, yung mga traveling bag para maayos na ba. Alam nyo, kahit pa isa-isa na mga ano, meron yun, makilo pa kasi kailangan ikilo. Kahit 24, hindi ko na i-exceed, ay hindi ko na iabot sa 25 para sure. Dito na ang mga anakis.
What did you cook? I smell good. Dawood Basha.
Kain na po, dito na ang mga bata. That's it po.
Oh, tonight.
No!
Tomorrow, babe. Tomorrow I want to start. Tomorrow I want to. Kill them clothes.
Winter, في منهم summer.
I want to hide that because I want the bag.
You will put the bag on it. Then you get the bag. Which one you will take?
Which one you want to take up? How?
I want to put first the out for summer. Hi Dada, fit 2 bags that it's already filled for the
How?
clothes.
How sure?
Put it down now. Hi Dole, red bag and the purple. Hi Dole.
I have to look the small bag. Now go ahead. What is it?
كيف المستوك اللي فيها فوت عليها شوفي براد يا زلمه
Careful my...
اقعد يا اقعد Chance heading me. I'll do that brother. So you don't feel pain in the back.
push my...
Maybe one.
Okay.
Hey Gray.
Give me... Kilo ka ba? Yan. Mga bag.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it there so we check. What's this head that I'm doing? Ay, dule.
Well,
Mommy, can we turn off the candle?
No, don't worry. I don't want the...
Is that a deodorant? Papaya.
Throw na na yun.
Circa.
Diba,
Deodorant.
one red, one black, one more.
This one purple and this one. The red one.
Okay. I remember we did this. Okay. Here, I can give this to Bella.
Both.
Ay, the empty anyway.
هنا empty.
No.
Oh. يلا شوي while you're back.
Yala, don't.
شوي نسمع.
My head. You see the air tag going.
Yala, enough. Okay, this.
بعد في البلاك وفي وحدة دارك
لا
red.
the dark red. The red bag, the small one for the sun.
شيء انت نزلي ضحك. هاي شو هاي؟
هاي دول all blue.
تمام خلاص خلينا نركبهم نشيلهم بدي شيء. وهاي
كمان winter.
هاي بشيليهم نزليهم إذا ما عم نلبسهم خلاص. We don't need in Philippines لشو؟
Put on look and I will check.
Can you
حط
put your hand?
هدي.
Yo. How does it go?
We need to clean it,
How
Baba.
does it work? But can we put it
You cannot see
outside?
you cannot see for close range. How they for the moon, for the stars.
Can we put it outside later?
Yala, put down na ano. I need to
Well, I want to see if the guys can see it. I want the view.
Impake na tayo.
Mommy,
Look.
put the camera.
Daming gamit, guys.
Put the camera. Put the camera.
Help me, ate, to hide dule, okay?
If Chico didn't wear, can I wear? Because what? Okay.
Ito mga damit na pang winter at ibigay sa mga
If you don't wear, can I wear?
mga ano do. Alam nyo, magaganda pa kasi siya. Tignan nyo guys, o mga pantalon.
Look, you got the shirt
Oh.
from the factory.
Sara ito. Hala, pwede kay Bella ito, oh.
Is this
Oh,
your shirt?
yes. Ella, we will fix one by one.
يلا خلينا نعمل معها.
Yan. Mag-ayos tayo dito, sir. One by one. Hala.
Here you go.
Put Haida outside. Haida's for Bella can wear it.
I think it's this one.
يلا.
Still good. Pantalon, it's still good. Bella can wear it.
Kian. جيبها أنا.
Okay, she can't wear it. No, this one I wear.
Eh, you can wear
This one I'll
that.
wear.
It's hot in
I will wear this one. This I'll wear.
This
one I
one you
don't
can
wear.
wear for Bella.
كيان. جيبه.
Gaganda guys, oh.
حلو لهم.
Mga
Calm
ano
down.
ni Cheyenne.
Oh, the tree.
I put it down. He cannot take that. This is
Okay.
too small now.
This
This
one.
one is too short.
Put to...
Tap, tap. It's too short. Yeah, it's showing on my phone. If he could, I don't want to wear it also.
I don't like for Bella, we will give to Bella.
Hello, do you see me? Do you see me? Ew, my skirt. Oh, that's not mine.
That's mine.
Actually,
I can wear,
Sorry.
I can wear it now because I'm 16.
I remember it was from Mansoria. From Mansoria. I will wear this one.
We bought it for Cheyenne. She
I
had,
will be
she
back.
had something in the school. I thought they want like this in the. They wanted a toy. Daddy went to buy this. $350.
Alam, ganda
Sure,
guys.
we should sell it.
Pwede naman, pwede ito sa
We should sell
Philippines.
it.
Ano?
خلاص we keep it.
This
They
is
want
I
the
wear.
moon.
This one I don't wear.
Hindi pwede ito sa Pilipinas. Kasi winter, malamig. So we put
Oh,
here.
you see this guy? This is like, I don't know.
This one for you.
Bella, what? I will wear that.
Oh,
Bella,
you
it's
put
for
na
high,
for-
Bella,
No, I'm putting it here.
So we know what the... Ooh, look, Cheyenne. There's a... Ang gaganda, oh.
Yeah,
sa-
I had this pants. I used to hate it. This one.
You will give to Bella.
Yeah, I hated it.
I don't know
Sarah, guys,
how
oh.
to make it. I don't know.
See this? I think it's in the cabinet.
Hey, Jimmy.
I didn't have it back.
May pamangkin akong babae.
Mommy, what's this? See, this one. I don't want that.
The old one, هيك ماشيين.
Hey, Daddy, can I give it to Daddy? Hold it.
اديني يلا هيك انا بشوف يلا. اديني بقى.
I'm gonna hold it.
عملنا
خلي.
etiquette.
خليه عندك
وهيدا
خليه عندك يلا.
هيدا orange.
Okay pa ito, oh. Pantalon. Hindi pa nasuot ni siya yan. Sarah din.
خليه هيك. هي خليه اياها.
He short on it.
هذه ما قسمك.
Give me it. I will give to Lolo.
هذا
Maganda pa, oh. Yan to mga bibigay namin.
هيدا
هذا عجب.
Yan, dami naming
هيدي
ayusin. Still good, Haida.
خليه.
Mommy, your friend.
هيدي
هيدا
شو
كويس.
اسمه النوم. اوكي.
هيدا if you want that.
Yan, short, oh.
You want
No.
هيدي
Haida Haida is, you wear last time.
لا مش عارف هذيك الموب هيدي لارج. Too much large.
Give to her.
هيدي ممتية.
Wait, if you want to mix for
بابا
Yeah.
the
It will
serious.
take 1 day hand to fix the clothes.
Celestron كذا.
Mommy, هيدا I think you can use it for Laban.
You have to put the name. Celestron 70 هذا شو.
I
They teach you.
found it. Maybe you need it.
For close range you don't.
لا هيدا color. I don't know. No.
For close range you cannot see هذا.
Put here for giving.
Heda, for the first telescope, he said it's this
Haida for
telescope.
mice.
Celestron هذا 70. You have to put the full name. مش بس Celestron في بدين هذا. You have to put the name on it. Which Celestron?
Haida, mabada? Mabadi?
This one,
Diba? Pang December sa atin, no? Yung tatay ko.
Daddy,
هيدا it's nice. هيدا بس أنا خلاص it's short for me.
do I put it down?
Maybe they can wear under it a shirt, blue shirt, light blue.
Do I put
Or
it
white.
down?
It's very nice. خلص هيدي يلا هودي على هودي للشغل هودي لشي هيك. اوكي للصيد لشي. هاي هودي على الكاب ما بدي اياهم. هو كلهم على الشغل. هاي خليها على الصيد هون.
Itong baga, dalhin namin ito. Ito, tatlong red, tapos ito, tapos yan. Okay na yan, guys. Na 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na bag. Ay, hindi, 5.
Listen well فيهم.
5. O, 5 lang na bag ang dadalhin namin. Maliit na dalawang malaki. Tapos yun. Ayan. Ito yung mga dadalhin namin. Apo. Itong bag na ito. Ayan. Ayan, empty pa yan. Empty pa ito. Puro mga iuwi namin is yung mga naglumaan. Pero magaganda pa rin siya. Ito, ipamigay na namin sa bale. Yan, mga ito. Itong winter at naliitan ng ibang kasi hindi na kasya. So ito puro naliitan na damit. Ito pang summer, iwan ko yung iba na damit namin. Ito ipamigay lahat, idalhin lahat, mga bago ba, hindi pa nagamit ng asawa ko. Ayan, ito mga naliitan ni Cheyenne, maganda pa siya. Pang summer ng pamangkin ko. Oh, magaganda pa siya. Sarah ito. Yan. Bye guys. Tapos na ako sa sahig. Ito na lang yung damit ko na ilagay sa bag. Saka na lang bukas na lang. Ito, empty pa siya. Ito, full na. Ito, full. Ito, wala pa. Itong tatlo ang full. Ito yung ipamigay natin. Yan, yung mga pinaglumaan namin na okay pa siya. Tatlo na ito. Hindi naman siya mabigat kasi ikikilo pa namin ito. So, hindi pa nag-exceed ito ng 25. Mga nasa 10 pa lang ito or 15. Less than 20 pa lang ito. Tapos ito din, wala pang anong gaan-gaan. Ito, yan, empty. Yan yung ilalagay namin sa mga iba naming. Last na ito. Yung mga, alam nyo, yung mga pasalubong na konti, damit namin. Yan. Ito, hand carry namin. Isa lang ang hand carry namin, guys. And then, ano pa? Ito yung mga ilagay sa taas. Doon sa taas. So, mamaya. Kasi andito si Brother George. Okay. Let's go sa Philippines. Kanina si Mr. pinapanood niya ako habang nag-impake. Sabi ko, sama ka. Ganun lang siya. Tapos niluloko niya ako. Sabi niya, yung mga bata lang, ikaw lang maaalis. Maiwan daw ang mga bata. Niluloko niya ako. Anyway, yan, tapos na ako. Linis na tayo, guys. Walis. Malapit na tayo. Tapos ito din, pang winter namin. Yan, malapit na po tayong aalis. Ilang weeks na lang. Days na lang, guys. Para sa akin, days na lang, weeks. Diba? Marami pang araw tayo mag-google dito, mag-vlog sa Lebanon. So, yun. Habang may araw pa, ipakita ko pa rin. Pupunta pa rin kami sa village. Maybe next week before kami mag-travel. Kasi may election dito sa Lebanon. So, kailangan namin pupunta sa village. Ayan, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Kita-kits ulit. Samahan niyo ulit kami sa vlog namin. Natitirang araw namin dito sa Lebanon. Bye, guys. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Thank you po.